Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you were new here, my name is Jayria, and in this video I will be sharing with you my spicy noodle ball recipe. So if you're interested to see how I made this spicy noodle ball, then continue watching and let's start. So these are all my ingredients that I will be using. I have my shrimp there, my noodles, corn, onion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, some red pepper, paprika. I have my eggs there, and these are the seasonings that I will be using. Complete seasonings, all purpose, all base seasoning, lemon pepper, garlic powder, and some onion powder. So let's start. I see where some people call it seafood boil or seafood bowl, but I wouldn't call it seafood bowl, being that the only seafood I have here is my shrimp, so I'm just leaving it at spicy noodle bowl. It has the similar taste like the seafood boil because it's the same seasonings that we use in the seafood boil, but I'm not gonna call it a seafood boil. So now my pot is boiling, so I'm going to add some salt. So first I'm going to boil my 2 eggs. Next I'm going to cook my corns. So next I'm going to cook my noodles. So I'm going to save the spices to go in the sauce. So I'm going to cook the noodles for roughly 3 minutes and my corns for roughly 10 minutes. So now that my noodles are cooked, I'm going to remove it from the heat. Then I am going to prepare my shrimps. Alright, so let's season the shrimp. I'm going to add a little black pepper, a little salt, some onion powder because we want our shrimps to be spicy and nice. So garlic powder and some lemon pepper. Okay, so let's move over to my frying pot. So to prepare the shrimp, I'm going to use some butter. Then I'm going to add the shrimps to my butter. to drain off the noodles. I don't want them to get too soft. Okay, so once I remove my shrimps in the same saucepan, I'm going to add my onions, peppers, and garlic. So my eggs are now boiled. Alright, so for my sauce, I'm going to add some chicken broth. So now it's time to add some spices to the sauce. I'm going in with some Old Bay seasonings. Going in with some garlic powder. Going in with some onion powder. Some lemon pepper. Some red pepper flakes. And some paprika. So I'm now going to add a little sachet of seasoning that came in the noodles. And I'm going to allow my sauce to cook. I'm also going to add some hot pepper sauce, and remember this is spicy noodles, so yes, I'm going in with a generous amount of spices and seasonings. I almost forget to add my franks, but I'm still going to incorporate them to my spicy bowl. Okay, so it's time for the fun part. I'm going to combine everything in my bowl. So now I'm adding my shrimps. Now I am about to add the sauce, guys. So let's go. Ooh. So my last ingredient is my chicken franks. So this is basically how I made my spicy noodle bowls and the ingredients that I use. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please leave a like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.